API 1104 Welding of Pipelines and Related Facilities, presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. If you are a welding engineer, QA/QC engineer, welding inspector, pipeline engineer, mechanical engineer, NDT professional, or working in the oil and gas, petrochemical, EPC, or pipeline construction industry, this video is for you. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important international standards for pipeline welding, API 1104 Welding of Pipelines and Related Facilities. This standard is widely recognized across the world and serves as the benchmark for ensuring safe, reliable, and high quality welded pipelines. In this video, we will learn what API 1104 is, why it is important, where it is used, welding procedure qualification, welder qualification, inspection and testing requirements, acceptance criteria, common welding defects, career opportunities, and how professional training can help you build expertise in pipeline welding. Let us begin. What is API 1104? API stands for the American Petroleum Institute, an organization that develops globally recognized standards for the petroleum and natural gas industries. API 1104 provides the requirements for welding pipelines, compressor stations, pump stations, gathering systems, transmission pipelines, distribution pipelines, related facilities. The standard establishes requirements for welding procedures, welder qualification, inspection, testing, acceptance criteria, repair welding. Its objective is to ensure that welded joints perform safely throughout the service life of the pipeline. Why is API 1104 important? Pipelines transport valuable and often hazardous products such as crude oil, natural gas, refined petroleum products, hydrogen, LPG, chemicals, water. A single weld failure can result in fire, explosion, environmental pollution, product loss, costly shutdowns, injuries, damage to company reputation. API 1104 helps organizations minimize these risks by establishing proven welding and inspection practices. This is why the code is used by major oil and gas companies, EPC contractors, pipeline operators, and inspection agencies worldwide. Now, scope of API 1104. API 1104 covers welding for new pipeline construction, pipeline expansion projects, pipeline maintenance, pipeline repair, pipeline modification. The code applies to several welding processes including cylinder metal arc welding, SMAW, gas metal arc welding, GMAW, flux core arc welding, FCAW, gas transition arc welding, GTAW, submerged arc welding, SAW. It also specifies the requirements for welding procedure qualification and welder performance qualification. Welding procedure qualification. Before production welding begins, organizations must develop and qualify a welding procedure specifications, WPS. A WPS defines base material, filler metal, welding process, joint design, preheat temperature, interpass temperature, welding parameters, position, shielding gas, if applicable. The WPS is validated through a procedure qualification record PQR, which demonstrates that the proposed procedure produces welds meeting the code requirements. This process helps ensure consistent weld quality across production activities. Now, welder qualification. Even with an approved welding procedure, the skill of the welder is critical. API 1104 requires welders to successfully complete qualification tests before they perform production welding. The qualification verifies that the welder can consistently produce sound welds that comply with the standard. Qualification typically includes test coupons, visual inspection, mechanical testing, radiographic examination, where applicable. Only qualified welders should perform production welding on pipeline projects. Inspection requirements. Inspection is a key part of quality assurance. API 1104 includes requirements for inspection before, during, and after welding. Inspectors verify joint preparation, fit up, weld consumables, welding parameters, weld profile, reinforcement, alignment, final weld appearance. Inspection ensures compliance before the pipeline is placed into service. Non-destructive testing (NDT). API 1104 recognizes several entity methods. These include visual testing (VT), the first inspection method performed; radiographic testing (RT), used to detect internal weld discontinuities; ultrasonic testing (UT), suitable for detecting internal defects and measuring weld quality; magnetic particle testing (MT), detects surface and near surface cracks in ferromagnetic materials; liquid penetrant testing (PT), used for detecting surface breaking defects in non-magnetic materials. Selection of the entity method depends on project specifications and applicable code requirements. Acceptance criteria and welding defects. API 1104 defines acceptance criteria for welded joints. Inspectors evaluate welds for defects such as cracks, lack of fusion, incomplete penetration, slag inclusions, porosity, undercut, burn through, misalignment. Welds that do not meet the specified acceptance criteria must be repaired or rejected according to the code and project requirements. Understanding these criteria is essential for both welders and inspectors. Now, career opportunities and conclusion at last. See, knowledge of API 1104 is highly valued in industries such as oil and gas, pipeline construction, petrochemicals, refineries, LNG facilities, cross-country pipeline projects, EPC companies, inspection and certification bodies. Professionals with API 1104 expertise can pursue roles such as welding engineer, welding inspector, QA/QC engineer, pipeline engineer, entity inspector, quality manager, construction engineer, third-party inspection engineer. As pipeline infrastructure continues to expand worldwide, organizations increasingly seek professionals who understand internationally recognized welding standards and inspection practices. If you want to strengthen your technical knowledge and advance your career, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited offers a comprehensive 24 hours 3 days live online API 1104 training program led by experienced industry professionals. The course combines code interpretation, practical examples, inspection techniques, welding qualification requirements, and real-world case studies to help participants apply API 1104 confidently in industrial projects. For course details and enrollment, email us info@urgseng.com, and our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message your inquiry there also. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more expert content on API codes, AS/ABIT standards, AWS, ISO standards, welding engineering, NDT, inspection, QA/QC and industrial training. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to our next technical session with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited.